I walked into the cafe. My hands were shaking. I was scared. Would my boss yell at me today? I didn't know. I used to love my job. I loved making coffee. I loved talking to customers. But now, everything was different. Now, my job was a nightmare. My boss was a mean man. He yelled at us every day. He never liked our work. We cleaned the tables. He said they were dirty. We made the coffee. He said it was wrong. Nothing was ever good enough. He made us come to work early. Very early. Then he made us stay late. Very late. Sometimes I worked 12 hours. But he only paid me for 8 hours. And the money? He was always late with our pay. Every night, I went to bed scared. I thought about the next day. My stomach hurt. I couldn't sleep well. I had bad dreams about work. One day, something terrible happened. I made a small mistake. Very small. I put the wrong cup on a table. My boss saw it. He walked over to me. Fast. His face was red.
Why are you so silly?
He shouted.
Didn't I tell you to check the cups?
I opened my mouth. I wanted to say sorry. But he didn't stop.
You never listen.
He yelled louder.
You're useless.
All the customers stopped talking. They all looked at me. The whole cafe was silent. I felt shy. My hands started shaking. I'm sorry, I said. My voice was very quiet.
Sorry?
He laughed.
Sorry doesn't fix your stupid mistakes. Maybe you're too stupid to work here.
My eyes filled with tears. I couldn't let him see me cry. Not in front of everyone. I ran to the bathroom. I locked the door. Then I started crying. I couldn't stop. The tears just came and came. I wanted to quit. I wanted to leave that cafe and never come back. But I couldn't. I needed the money. Without money, I couldn't pay my rent. Without rent, I had no home. Someone knocked on the bathroom door. It was Tom. He was another worker at the cafe.
Are you okay?
He asked. I opened the door. My eyes were red from crying. I'm fine, I said. But I wasn't fine. Tom looked at me with kind eyes.
Let's talk after work,
He said. After work, Tom and I sat in a small park. I told him everything. I told him about my fears. I told him about my dreams. I want to have my own cafe. A place where everyone is happy. But I don't have enough money. It's just a dream. Tom was quiet for a minute. Then he smiled.
What if we do it together?
He said.
2 people can save money faster than 1 person.
My heart jumped. Could we really do it? Let's try, I said. We started saving money. Every dollar we earned, we saved some. It was hard. Very hard. But we kept going. 6 months passed. We had enough money. Not a lot. But enough to start small. One morning, I walked into the cafe. Tom was with me. We found our boss in his office. We quit. We want to start our own cafe, I said. My voice was strong. The boss looked up. Then he started laughing. He laughed so loud.
You quit?
He said.
You're just waitresses. You can't run a cafe. You'll fail in 1 week.
We walked out. My heart was beating so fast. I was scared. But I was also excited. We found a small space. It was perfect. We cleaned it. We bought tables and chairs. Everything was cheap. But everything was ours. Opening day came. I was so nervous. What if nobody came? What if the boss was right? But people did come. They liked our coffee. They liked how we smiled at them. They came back the next day. And the day after that. Months passed. Our cafe was always busy. Very busy. Tom and I couldn't do all the work alone. We needed help.
Let's hire someone.
Tom said. We put an ad in the window. Looking for cafe worker. The next day, someone came to talk about the job. I opened the door. I was surprised. It was James. He used to work at our old cafe.
Hi,
James said. He looked nervous.
I saw your ad. Can I work here?
Yes, I said. Of course. James smiled so big.
Thank you.
He said.
I can't work for that mean boss anymore.
2 weeks later, another person came. It was Sarah. She also worked at the old cafe. She said James told her about this place. Then came Miguel. Then came Lisa. One by one, all the workers from the old cafe quit. They were looking for a nice place to work and they found us. 1 year passed. Our cafe was doing well. Everyone loved working there. One morning, I was making coffee. Someone walked in. I looked up. It was him. My old boss. He looked different. His clothes were old. His face was tired. He didn't look mean anymore. He looked sad.
Can I talk to you?
He asked quietly. Tom and I sat down with him.
I need a job.
The boss said. He didn't look at our eyes.
My cafe closed. Everyone quit. I couldn't find new workers. Nobody wanted to work for me. They said I was too mean. Maybe they are right. Now I have no money.
Tom and I looked at each other. We remembered how he treated us. We remembered the yelling, the tears, the fear. But we also remembered our dream. We wanted a cafe where everyone was treated well. Everyone. You can work here, I said. As a waiter. The old boss looked up. His eyes were wet.
Really?
He said.
Yes,
Tom said.
but things are different here. We treat everyone with respect.
The old boss nodded. He started working. He was quiet. He worked hard. He never yelled. I looked around my cafe. Everyone was smiling. The sun came through the windows. The smell of fresh coffee filled the air. This was my dream. And it was real. The end. What would you do? Would you forgive the mean boss and give him a job? Tell me in the comments. And for more stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day. Quit. Quit means to stop doing something or to leave a job or school. Examples from the story. I wanted to quit. I wanted to leave that cafe and never come back. We quit. We want to start our own cafe. You quit, he said. One by one, all the workers from the old cafe quit. My cafe closed. Everyone quit. More examples. She quit school. I quit my job yesterday.